guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a BMW, guys, 5 Series BMW such as E60, E61, guys, and you guys have a problem with your NOx sensors, okay, we'll explain where you can expect to find the NOx sensors. We'll demonstrate here, guys, on a 6-cylinder gasoline engine, but 4-cylinder will be very similar as well, but we'll cover everything about the 6-cylinder today, guys. So if you have N51, N52, N53, N54 engines, you can expect, guys, to find your NOx sensors there. That's what we'll be covering today. What needs to be done to locate and replace your NOx sensors. You have 2 of them, guys, on the 6-cylinder engine. Now, quick introduction to the channel, guys. Every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 free repair videos. Specifically, guys, on BMWs, we make close to 400-500 videos. Why we do all that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video, guys, so we can keep providing these free videos to you. If you need to buy new NOx sensors, replacement parts, anything like that, check out the link in the description of the video below. We will share it for your convenience, guys. So, what do we have here now? Okay, this specifically, guys, right now, it's N52 engine, guys. That's one of the most popular engines, especially in the United States. So if you have a 523, 525, 528, 530, guys, will be like that. I think the 535s with the N54 will have the same location of the NOx sensor with some minor differences about the replacement. So before we start, guys, before you ever start working on the NOx sensors, disconnect your car battery, guys. Now, why you will need to do that? We'll be working super close to the alternator and the engine starter, and you have a fat wire that's coming from the battery, that's going to the alternator and the starter. If you touch it with your tools, you can see sparks flying, you can damage your electrical system of the vehicle, you can damage a car computer, guys, or the least that could happen is burn a fuse. So yes, we've done that before, and we don't want something like that to happen to your vehicle, guys, because sometimes it could be very expensive and very hard to fix as well. Now, it really matters how you disconnect the car battery, which battery terminal you disconnect first. If you don't know that, we'll have the link to the video, guys, shared in the description of the video below. Once you disconnect your car battery, you need to remove your air filter box, intake boot, and the intake manifold assembly. The whole assembly needs to come out. Some of you may not know how to do that, guys. If you don't, we have the video on the channel, or I will try to put, guys, the link in the description of the video below. How to remove the intake manifold, step by step, very detailed video. Once you pull it out, guys, okay, let me show you. You get to the idea, guys, of the video. Okay, this is your intake manifold. You can see this is the PCV valve underneath. So we're right here, guys. Check it out, the engine now. Okay, for a 6-cylinder engine, as you know, you have 2 NOx sensors. 4-cylinder engines, some will have 1, but most of them nowadays have 2 as well, guys. Most of them will expect to have 2. So now you have a NOx sensor here for bank 1, NOx sensor here. Okay, let me put this down here for okay, not staying all the way, perfect, for bank 2, guys. Okay, this is bank 2, this is bank 1. Now, unfortunately, you cannot just remove one sensor, guys. You have to replace and remove both of them at the same time. We're going to need a female torque socket, guys. Okay, I'll have the link shared in the description of the video below. It's code E12. So we'll go ahead and get them loose. Okay, now it's very important to clean everything under the NOx sensors when you install the new ones, so they can actually communicate, guys, good. Otherwise, okay, they may not perform. Okay, so removing the second bolt now, and the second sensor, this is on bank 1. Bank 1, guys, is the first half of the engine, bank 2 is the second half. So in those wires, okay, here there will be attached right here to that and to that holder, but ours came loose, the tape got loose, and here we have one wire that we need to disconnect. Okay, this is for the oxygen sensors, excuse me, for the NOx sensors. It's an early morning, guys. So no, let me I will pry it, okay, and one person will pull it at the same time, so that way it can come loose, because otherwise it doesn't come loose. Perfect. Now we can grab those NOx sensors, okay, and they will come out, guys. Okay, both of them go to one connector, so that's why you have to replace both of them at the same time, guys. So hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you trying to do that. If you need to buy new ones, we'll have the link shared in the description of the video below. Please check it out. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.